Assalamualaikum dear students. Welcome back to English 4th lesson Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory Part 3 Half of the Remaining. Students, in my previous video, if you go through, I completed half of the Part 3. Today I am going to teach you half of the remaining of Part 3. Now what we have seen in Part 3 that Bipin Babu was in his firm, was in his office, and he can't do his work. So after office time he went to his home, and there a person named Chunilal came to meet him. And Chunilal was his childhood friend, school friend, who always maybe we can see his nearest friend. So Bipin Babu want to ask him if he recalled about the year 1958, and Chuni Babu he answered positively, and he also trying to confuse Bipin Babu. Now let's see what happened further in part 3. Students, we stopped here. Now let's see further. Do you remember what my last job was? Asked Chunilal. Chunilal asked Bipin Babu that if you remember what was my last job. What was Chunilal's last job? He was asking Bipin Babu. So Bipin Babu answered that of course you worked in a travel agency. He completely remembered that Chunilal was working in a travel agency. You remember that, and you don't remember that it was I who fixed up your railway booking for Ranchi. So Chunilal told him that you completely recall that I was working in a travel agency, but you don't remember that it was the person Chunilal who fixed up his railway bookings for Ranchi. I went to the station to see you off. He also went with him at the railway station to say goodbye to him. One of the fans in your compartment was not working. Another evidence he was giving that one fan of his compartment was not working properly. So he got an electrician to fix it. Here that means Chunilal got an electrician. He called an electrician to fix it for the maintaining of that fan. Have you forgotten everything? And Chunilal asked him that all these happened to you and you forgot all these things. Whatever is the matter with you? What happened to you? You don't look too well. You are not looking completely alright. You know? Bipin Babu sighed and shook his head. So Bipin Babu became sad and shook his head and moving his head that yes, you are speaking true, that I am not completely alright. I have been working too hard. I am doing my work continuously, constantly, he said at last. That must be the reason, and it must be the reason that I am not well. Must see about consulting a specialist, and he must see, he has to go to a doctor. Here a specialist, that means consulting a doctor. Doubtless it was Bipin's condition which made Chunilal leave without mentioning anything about a job. Now Bipin Babu's condition was doubtless. How? Because he is in a total confusion that what happened to him. So keeping Bipin Babu in this situation without mentioning, without speaking about, without asking about a job, Chunilal left his home. That means Bipin Babu's home. He went. Paresh Chanda was a young physician with a pair of bright eyes and a sharp nose. Now another character, Paresh Chanda. Paresh Chanda, he was a young physician with a pair of bright eyes. Paresh Chanda has a bright eyes and a sharp nose. Here his physical appearance described that Paresh Chanda was a young physician. He has a pair of bright eyes and a sharp nose. He became thoughtful when he heard about Bipin Babu's symptoms. When Bipin Babu visited Paresh Chanda for consulting about his situation, he became thoughtful. he, that means Paresh Chanda, became thoughtful when he heard about his symptoms, that what happened to him, which type of symptoms, that he forgot about the trip. Look, Dr. Chanda, said Bipin Babu desperately. So the Bipin Babu said Dr. Chanda desperately that, look, you must cure me of this horrible illness. You have to cure me of this horrible illness. Illness here, that means disease. Which type of disease? That means he forgot his one incident, his life's one incident. So you must cure me. You must here, that means Dr. Chanda must have to save him, cure him from this situation. I can't tell you how it is affecting my work. He also said, Dr. Chanda, that he can't tell him that how this situation affecting his work, how this situation influence his work. Dr. Chanda shook his head. Dr. Chanda shook his head. You know what, Mr. Chaudhary? And said him that, you know what, Mr. Chaudhary? I have never had to deal with a case such as yours. Here, Dr. Chanda had never dealt with this type of case as the Bipin Babu have. Which type of case? That a person forgot one part of his life, one incident of his life from his memory. So this type of case Dr. Chanda never heard about, even never deal with this type of case. Frankly, this is a quite outside my field of experience. Frankly speaking to Bipin Babu, Dr. Chanda said, this type of case is out of my experience, field of experience. The experience which he had, in his experience, this type of case he never dealt with. But I have one suggestion. But he gave one suggestion to Bipin Babu that I don't know if it will work. He doesn't know that his suggestion will work or not, but he gave suggestion. But it's worth a try. I can only say that I am not telling you that whatever I am suggesting you is completely working, but maybe you must have to try if it can. So it can do no harm, and whatever suggestion given by the Dr. Chanda, it can do no harm. Bipin Babu leaned forward anxiously, and Bipin Babu anxiously, worriedly leaned for that suggestion. As far as I can make out, said Dr. Chanda, and I think you are of the same opinion, you must have been to Ranchi. So, what suggestion given by the Dr. Chanda? Dr. Chanda said Bipin Babu that you must have been to Ranchi, you must have to take visit to Ranchi. But due to some unknown reason, the entire episode has slipped out of your mind. Due to some unknown reason, the reason doesn't know Bipin Babu, as well as Dr. Chanda doesn't know what should be the reason. But to solve this, and to solve the slipped out of his mind, he told Bipin Babu to visit Ranchi. What I suggest is that you go to Ranchi once again. For recalling this incident, for recalling this trip, Dr. Chanda suggesting Bipin Babu that you have to go to Ranchi once again. The sight of the place may remind you of your trip. If you go to Ranchi, maybe if you see the site, maybe if you see the scene, the place where you were, you can recall it. It may remind you about your trip, This is not impossible, and to go to Ranchi, it's not impossible for him. More than that, I cannot do at the moment. Only he can give a suggestion. Here, that means Dr. Chanda only can give a suggestion. He cannot do anything at that moment. I am prescribing a nerve tonic and a tranquilizer. And at that time, as you go in a part 3, you can see that Bipin Babu was very confused and his head is reeling by thinking about this Ranchi trip. So at the time Dr. Chandra only prescribed a nerve tonic or and a tranquilizer. Nerve tonic here, that means medicines, and a tranquilizer or medicine to reduce stress. So he prescribed this type of medicine. Sleep is essential, and for Bipin Babu was very confused, so he cannot sleep. So he said, Dr. Chanda told Bipin Babu that sleep is essential, sleep is necessary, or the symptoms will get more pronounced. If you cannot sleep, the symptoms will get more pronounced. That means more symptoms can be seen. That means you will become anxious. Bipin Babu felt somewhat better the next morning, and after taking nerve tonic tranquilizer, next day Bipin Babu felt relaxed, better. After breakfast, he rang up his office, gave some instruction, and then procured a first class ticket for Ranchi for the same evening. So in the morning, Bipin Babu was completely okay. We can see he felt relaxed, and after that, after breakfast he rang up his office. He called at his office, gave some instructions. He gave some instruction to other, and then procured a first class ticket, and he got a first class ticket for Ranchi for the same evening, because at that day in the evening he went for Ranchi trip. So students, that's all in part 3. Now what happened next in part 4, that Mr. Bipin Babu recalled his lapse of memory or not? In the last part 4, you came to know the real thing, what happened to him. So till that we will see in our next video in part 4. Thank you and Assalamu alaikum.